Every single day, millions of chicken nuggets are produced inside massive factories like this.
The speed of this production line is faster than most people imagine.
From raw chicken to crispy perfection, this transformation is designed with precision.
Inside, a strict, automated food safety system controls every step.
This is how one of America's most iconic fast foods is made.
It all starts inside a tightly controlled processing facility, where food safety standards are enforced at every step.
Selected white chicken pieces are carefully inspected to ensure consistency and quality.
Excess parts are cut off by precision machinery to maintain a uniform texture.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
The chicken is then fed into a powerful industrial grinder capable of processing thousands of pounds per hour. Next, the mixture is transferred to an industrial mixer to achieve a uniform texture.
The blades rotate continuously to evenly distribute the seasoning and texture. Temperature is continuously monitored to ensure safety and consistency.
The prepared mixture is automatically transported to the forming system.
Everything here operates with engineered timeliness and efficiency. This is where the familiar nugget shape begins to take shape. Thousands are shaped every minute with exact measurements. Each piece must match strict size and weight standards. The machines operate in perfect synchronization. Several production lines dramatically increase output. Alignment ensures a smooth transition to the next stage.
At this point, the nuggets are still completely uncooked.
Speed is critical to meet nationwide demand. Sensors monitor weight and shape consistency in real time. The approved nuggets now move to the batter coating system. The batter is prepared separately to create a smooth and even coating.
From the mixing tank, the batter is pumped directly into the coating chamber.
Each nugget passes through a curtain of dough that flows to cover its entire surface. The batter forms a uniform outer layer, preparing it for breading.
Excess batter is gently removed to ensure consistent thickness.
Next is the signature outer layer, a layer of seasoned breadcrumbs. The battered pieces settle into a bed of fine crumbs. Additional crumbs cascade from above to ensure full coverage. Inside a rotating drum, the nuggets tumble gently to achieve complete coating.
The crumbs bond to the batter, forming the texture that will later crisp during frying.
Loose crumbs are removed and recycled to maintain efficiency. Now fully coated, the nuggets display a consistent golden exterior.
Trained staff visually monitor coating consistency during production.
The next stage will transform texture completely. Within moments, high heat will lock in flavor and create the signature crispy finish. Inside the frying tunnel, the coated nuggets are partially submerged in precisely heated cooking oil. Oil temperature is strictly controlled to ensure even cooking and consistent texture. As the heat envelops each piece, the outer layer begins to transform into a crispy, golden shell.
The conveyor moves continuously, ensuring each nugget cooks for the exact same duration. Behind the scenes, the circulation system keeps the oil flowing evenly throughout the fryer. A powerful ventilation system removes excess steam to maintain stable cooking conditions.
The oil is continuously filtered to remove loose crumbs and maintain its purity. Moments later, the nugget emerges with a light golden color and a firm outer crust.
Excess oil drains out before the next stage begins. At this point, the signature crispy texture has fully formed. Random samples are checked to verify that the internal cooking temperature meets safety standards.
Inside, the meat is perfectly cooked, yet still tender and juicy.
After frying, the nuggets are immediately transferred to a controlled cooling area. The cold airflow stabilizes the surface before freezing.
Now fully cooked and perfectly golden brown, the nuggets are ready to be flash frozen.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
After frying, the nuggets immediately enter a flash freezing system designed to preserve their texture and freshness. Inside the tunnel, cold air circulates at a very low temperature. A powerful fan forces ultra-cold air across every surface of each gold nugget. Within seconds, microscopic ice crystals begin to form on the outer layer.
This individual quick freezing system ensures each nugget freezes separately.
Rapid freezing stabilizes the internal structure without damaging the texture. Sensors constantly monitor internal temperatures to maintain precise freezing conditions.
In some facilities, the spiral system maximizes space while maintaining continuous airflow.
Once fully frozen and stable, the nuggets are now ready for packaging. At this stage, the texture, shape, and flavor have been locked in through flash freezing.
Before packaging, the frozen nuggets pass through an automated weighing system to ensure accurate portion control. Multiple precision scales work simultaneously, calculating the exact weight for every package in milliseconds. After being weighed, the nuggets are directed to an automated packaging machine that forms and seals each bag.
Heat sealing technology ensures each package is tightly sealed to maintain freshness. Sealed packages move smoothly along the line for final inspection. Each package passes through an additional safety check before leaving the production floor.
The robotic system then arranges the packages into the shipping cartons with incredible precision.
Boxes are stacked onto pallets in carefully arranged layers for transportation.
The finished pallets are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ready for distribution.
From the factory to the freezer aisles, this highly structured process ensures each nugget arrives consistently, safely, and ready to be enjoyed.